Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel friends. Today we'll learn about a so beautiful and so elegant different type of knitting pattern. You can apply this pattern in any kind of your project like ladies cardigan, lady jacket, girl top, baby sweater and shawl and stall. So this pattern looks like this from right side and looks like this from back side. This pattern is 4 rows repeat pattern cast on multiple of 9 plus 1 extra stitch and plus 2 edge stitches, multiple of 9 plus 1 extra stitch plus 2 edge stitches. So let's begin. For demonstration here we have 21 stitches on my needle, 18 stitches, multiple of 9, 2 times 9 plus 9 is equal to 18 and plus 1 extra stitch 19 plus 2 edge stitches 21. Here I purl 2 base row. You can knit any border you want. So let's begin. This is first row and right side row. First row right side row, knit these all stitches till the end of row. Knit edge from right side. First row is completed. Now this is second row and wrong side row. Second row, wrong side row. Slip edge and pull these all stitches till the end of row. Pull edge from wrong side. This is third row right side, slip edge. From here we start our repeat pattern, knit 1, yarn over, twist 4 from right to left way, this way to this way. Take 2 on your right needle from back loop and first 2 on your left needle from front loop. Now knit 2, 1, 2, knit together from back loop. Now twist 4 from left to right, this way to this way. Take 2 stitches on your right needle from front loop and first 2 on your left needle from back loop. Knit together from front loop knit 2, 1, 2, yarn over, that's a repeat, knit 1, yarn over, twist 4 from right to left and knit 2, knit 2 together from back loop, twist 4 from left to right way and knit together from front loop, knit 2, yarn over. This is 9 stitches pattern, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Again we repeat this pattern. How many stitches have? So one more time. Knit 1, yarn over, twist 4 from right to left, this way to this way, take 2 on your right needle from back loop and first 2 on your left needle from front loop. Now knit 2, 1, 2, knit together from back loop, twist 4 from left to right, this way to this way, take 2 on your right needle from front loop and first 2 on your left needle from back loop. Now knit together, knit 2, 1, 2, yarn over. Here we complete 2 times. Repeat pattern, last 2, knit 1 and knit edge from right side. Third row is completed now. This is fourth row, wrong side. Again pull these all stitches till the end of row. Pull edge from wrong side. Fourth row is completed and our pattern is also completed. Now we again start this pattern from first row. First row right side, knit these all stitches till the end of row, slip edge and knit these all stitches. Knit edge from right side. So again we start this pattern from first row. In this way we repeat these 1 to 4 rows and after repetition of 4 rows this pattern looks like this. You can apply this pattern in any kind of your projects of, and if you like my videos then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos. So take care and bye bye friend.